just come here and input your email address. Input your email address here and your password. So once you are done with email address, just click on next at gmail.com. So just click on next. So they are going to send a code to your email address. So copy the code and paste it right here and click on register. So once you are registered, you can just click on download app here and download the app. But because I have the app on my phone already, so I'll just open up the app. Yeah, so once the app is opened, click on login interface like this. So this is like the main interface of the app. So I'll just briefly explain what everything here means. So this is the home page, and from here you can go straight to your trading positions and your open trade by just clicking on current positions. But because I don't have any trade open here, so you see this is where it is going to show your positions, and this is where it is going to show your trigger order, that is the order that are not triggered yet. So come back here and let me just take you through the interface. So you can actually deposit your crypto by going to assets and just click on the crypto you want to deposit. So let's assume you want to deposit USDT. You click on USDT, click on deposit, and you copy the contract address and just read through the rules. The minimum deposit amount is 1 USDT, blah blah blah, all of those stuff. So once your USDT is deposited, it is going to automatically move from fund account to standard contract account here. So your deposited crypto, any of these, is going to move from fund account to standard contract. Now this standard contract account is where we can trade sports, we can trade futures and all of those things. So let me just go back to the home here and explain gradually. So buy and sell here is where you can trade sports trading, basically sports trading. So if I click on BTC/USDT, it's going to open up and it's going to open up the chart, and you're going to see this buy and sell button. So this is where I can trade Bitcoin against USDT. I can buy Bitcoin here if I have USDT. I enter the amount I want. Maybe I have 50 USDT. I can just put 100 if I want to use the 050 to buy, and all of those things. So it has a minimum of 6. You have to have 6 USDT minimum to buy any token here. So that is spot trading. So contract here is where you trade futures. So we have USDT contract and we have coin M contract. So those are the two type of futures trading we have. But we are going to be trading with USDT, so we just have to use the USDT contract. So if I'm trading let's say I'm trading Doge USDT, so I accept and I come here. So if I want to buy this coin now, I'll just go to long, and if I want to buy at current market price, so I'll just leave it at market. But if I want to set my limit order, probably price has not gotten to where I want to buy, so I can just come here to limit order. So once I want to buy at market order, I choose my leverage and I input my margin. So if I have 50 USDT and I want to use 20 to trade this particular trade, I will just enter my 20 USDT margin right there. And advanced setting is where I set my because I don't have USDT in this account, I will not be able to go to advanced setting. So advanced setting is where I set my stop loss and my take profit, and it is going to show me, okay, if it gets to stop loss, this is the total percentage I'm going to gain, and if it gets to take profit, this is the total percentage I'm going to gain, and it's going to bring that out in USDT value too. So if you are trading with 20 USDT probably and you set your stop loss, if your stop loss is going to take away 5 USDT from that 20 USDT, you are going to see it. And if your take profit is going to give you 10 USDT after the trade, its take profit, you are going to see it